Third place, fourth place tie. Okay, and down the hill. Roll, quick.
I'm not going to use these two.
No, roll, you maniacs.
Now I might be a little fast.
Don't hurt yourself, though.
I might be a little fast.
That's not rolling. Well, show how to roll, Bryce.
His belly split.
Show how to roll,
His
Bryce.
belly split down.
You got 1 minute.
Whoever wants to win this fight.
You got 1 minute left, guys.
What?
But if you're gonna roll or do something, you gotta do it, or YouTube will be boring. There goes Bryce. He's rolling. He's on a roll.
My feet are...
Faster, Bryce. Faster.
Oh, I'll go fast.
You can go faster than Bryce. Okay, let's see it. Hurry up.
Hey, he would like fail because he was like right here.
No explanations. Action. It's an action video. This ain't it.
Bryce, you
Ain't gabbing. Come on.
Go.
Quick, quick. Bryce, there we go. There's two. Two at once. Wow, look how fast he's going. Winner.
Bryce, you lost. Little girl over there won so far.
Second place.
Megan, you have to roll on perfectly straight point.
Okay, Megan, you're up.
Can't really roll perfectly straight.
And Megan, you can win the contest. 30 seconds of camera left. Hurry. Is she gonna go? Is she not gonna go?
1 second, let me
Go, Megan.
Go, Megan, hurry.
Take your necklace off.
The whole world's watching.
I'd like to see you try.
Yeah.
That's a war necklace.
Pretty good. She went the straightest.
No, this little girl did.
Let's see. She hasn't went yet. Are you gonna go? Last chance. Last call for down the hill to fall. Okay, ready? Tuck your arms tight and go. What a maniac. That might be the fastest. That's probably the record. And